In this video, we will discuss alignment reporting. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file alignmentreporting.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with This Dataset video. Civil 3D has a few ways that you can report on alignments. You can use the panorama window as well as the toolbox. First, let's go ahead and select our alignment and look at the panorama window way. We'll go ahead and click on Geometry Editor and then select the Alignment Grid View tool from the Alignment Layout tools. If you ever see any of these tabular type forms within the panorama window, you can copy these and paste them into Excel as tab delimited columns. Simply right-click, click on Copy All, and then inside Excel do a Control-V for paste. You can then use standard Excel formatting to remove columns, add columns, etc., and then save the file out if you need to. If you navigate to the toolbox, however, there's a Reports Manager located here. If you expand alignment, there are some tools to report on alignments. There are two ways to report on alignment data. You can create something called a LAN.XML file that will then use a style sheet, which is an XSL file, to report on the data in the XML file. Then there are some additional tools that are actually programs where you execute a file. We'll go ahead and click on the Alignment Curve tool, as this one is going to export the alignment as an XML file. Now you don't want everything in the drawing, so clear all first, and then click on Pick from Drawing, and then select your alignment, right-click, and that will be the only object that gets saved to the XML file. Click OK, and then navigate to your dataset folder and call this one Bypass 1. Click Save. What Civil 3D will do is open up in your default browser the curve data saved here. You can then, of course, just select everything and copy and paste into Word or Excel, or you can right-click and do a Save As you need to. Let's go ahead and double-click the PI Station report. This tool here is actually an executable file that is being run. So this will actually run in the background, and when you click on Create Report, it then opens up in your default browser with the information that was supposed to be saved in the report.